Bonjour, I am Berenice from French Tutoring Fun. Bienvenue! If you don't know me yet, I am a French tutor and I have a blog, FrenchTutoringFun.com, so go and discover. Today is the 13th video of this special series. I am providing basics in French for learners. So today we will see the breakfast. So what are you having for breakfast? Let's see the vocabulary and stay until the end of this video because I will be telling you what I am having for breakfast. Let's start. So firstly, we will see the drinks. So in French we say les boissons. Les boissons. Perfect. So un café. Un café. Perfect. Un thé. Un thé. Very good. So repeat after me. It's important for your pronunciation. Un chocolat chaud. Un chocolat chaud. Perfect. Du jus. Du jus. So you can have the most famous would be du jus d'orange, du jus d'orange or du jus de pomme, du jus de pomme. Perfect. Excellent. Du lait, du lait. Perfect. Very good. Excellent. So now let's see what you can eat during your breakfast. Du pain. Du pain. Very good. Un croissant. Un croissant. Very good. Un pain au chocolat. Un pain au chocolat. Very good. Des biscottes. Des biscottes. Very good. Des céréales. Des céréales. Perfect. Excellent. So now let's see what you can put on your bread and all of this. Du miel. Du miel. Very good. Du beurre. Du beurre. Perfect. De la confiture. De la confiture. Perfect. Excellent. Very good. So now let's see what I am having for breakfast. I love a café. Un café. I love the smell, I love the taste, I just love café. Coffee. So, un café. Perfect. Then I eat oats. So, flocons d'avoine. Des flocons d'avoine. Very good. oats, I put almond milk, du lait d'amande, du lait d'amande. Very good. Excellent. And also I add fruit. So, des fruits. Des fruits. In general, clementines, or then in summer it could be blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. So I add then clémentine, des clémentines, or then during summer, des fraises, des framboises, etc. Yeah, perfect. So now it's your turn. I am curious to know, what are you having for breakfast? Let me know in the comment. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any new videos. À demain!